Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by securing the cart and exposing the wheel assembly so you can work safely. This reduces risk and makes each step predictable. First, spray penetrating oil on the axle nut and let it sit 1 to 3 minutes so seized parts release. Use a 10 mm wrench to loosen the nut while holding the axle with pliers. Once the nut turns, remove it and slide off the wheel, keeping spacers and washers in the same order for reassembly. Now inspect the wheel hub and bearing. You need to know why it failed to prevent repeat problems. If bearings are rough or pitted, replace them. Press new bearing into the hub squarely so it seats without tilting. Clean the axle and spacers, then slide parts back in the exact order you removed them. This preserves alignment. Tighten the nut until snug, then back off slightly so the wheel rotates freely but has no lateral play, which ensures smooth operation. Finish by setting the correct preload. Tighten the nut to spec or to hand tight plus a small quarter turn so the wheel spins freely without play. This prevents binding and premature wear. Once done, spin the wheel and push the cart to test under load. You want smooth rotation and no wobble. If you still see play or sticking, recheck spacer order and axle straightness and replace bent axles. This single troubleshooting tip solves most lingering problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.